Hi guys, Z here, and welcome back to another video. And today we're going to play this Minecraft world. Now, I really want to go to the end, so what I did was the only logical thing to do. I made an end portal. I also have done something kind of new. This thing is going to be continued. I'm trying to do something with this pillar right here. But hey, I have some grass, and plus, right when I ended the video, there was some raiders that popped up, and I killed them with stab. Yeah, I named stuff. Now, I have 39 of gold, which is really good. But hey, that's not the main thing about this video. Today, we're going to go to the nether. And we just need some gravel. So let's go gravel hunting. Yay! Oh, da-dee-da. Now, gravel, guys, is kind of hard to find. Well, not really hard, but still kind of tough to find. All I need to do is just go down to the mines, and hopefully I'll find a gravel patch. Can I English? But don't worry, we will not go to a village yet, sadly. I don't really know why I said don't worry, because everybody wants people to go to villages because it's so nice when you have this bad omen. You should really go there. Ha 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 ha. Anyways, I'll cut to okay guys, so I'll cut it back when we find gravel and go up to the surface and get flint and steel. And we're back, guys. It took forever to get gravel. But I think there's a creeper here. It's the next day, by the way, because of how hard it was in Minecraft. It's the next day. It's not the next day in real life. Totally. So I got the flint. I actually got 2 flint because when I got my second one, when I got my first one, I got a second one. That's what I call luck. But hey, let's go to the nether. But hey, first, I really do not want all my diamond armor to just go, so every single diamond armor that I have every single diamond stuff No. Oh, no. Okay, guys, so some unexpected twist just happened. Apparently my house just blew up. And my beautiful... Oh, man. Well, that sucks. Well, guys, this will have to be... Man. That was one called unlucky. Can't even fit everything. Okay, guys. Oh, man. That is why you need your bed up high. Pro tip. Well, guys, I'll see you guys when everything is fixed. Alright, guys, it's good as new. Kind of. It's still pretty bad. But hey, since all my bread is gone, let's go on a wheat farming. Wheat, wheat is about to smell my feet. Eat. So then I peeped. This is the wheat song that never ends. Wheat is always fun. Okay, so after that thing, after the wheat stuff, finally, after all the upcoming events, it is time to travel to the end. Really excited, but I'm not really excited at the same time because the Nether is just such a really hard place to survive in. Pretty sure my iron helmet got blown up, but that's okay. So yeah, we're about to travel to the Nether. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good luck for me. Okay. Oh my gosh, I never went to the Nether before. Actually, that's a lie, I have, but this is the second time I've been to the Nether in survival. I do need quartz, I'm pretty sure, because that gives me experience points. I want to try to be level 12, then get out of here. Oh, just got achievement. No, I'm not playing on Xbox, it's just Windows 10, everybody. Huh. Oh, I wish I had a shovel. And I'll still get soul sand. Okay, that's good. Is the Nether update here? And I see a gas. Man, I never been to the Nether and looked around before. Like in survival mode, because I'm not really that scared of lava. This is a pretty good spawn. If you guys didn't know, fun fact by the way, every 1 block you're moving to the Nether, it's 8 blocks in the overworld. Man, magma cubes are hard. Hi, fellow friends. Boom. Who likes the pigment wrap? And the gas here just blown up. Great. Just great. Okay, well, I'm getting out of this place because this place is really giving me the creeps. Okay, I explored the Nether, and that's just the main part, so I'm about to get out of this place. and build some nether quart blocks, because why not? Let me just get a few more of this. Hello? Turn to sender. Destroy a gas with a fireball. Thanks, game. It really sucks how you cannot get like almost no obsidian in the nether. I mean, I understand why, because there's so much lava that you could just pollute the whole entire world with obsidian. But like, I really don't get it. Okay, well, we're back. And of course it's nighttime. The final thing we're going to do for this episode is build some nether quart blocks and adding it to our place. Yes, I am going to build a nether room, which is going to be cool. Okay, for now, I have some nether quart blocks, which is, yeah, block of quartz. We have 8. Now let's try to make this as even as possible. Even, right? Okay, that looks good. It actually does not. Okay, let me know what to do with these blocks, because I have no idea. Down in the comments, by the way. Hey, that'll do it for this episode. If you do, hit that like button down below, subscribe, turn on notifications, and hit that little bell. And I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.